Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to show you how to convert images using ChatGPT. But before we jump in, we've got a free, easy to follow guide that you can download and use to follow along step by step. Just click the link below to grab it. It's quick and completely free. Alright, let's bring ChatGPT into the process for this video. While it's usually known for handling text, it's actually pretty versatile, and that includes helping with tasks like image conversion. So here's how we're going to do it. So let's say you decided to download and save your generated image. So here it is. However, upon checking, it says that the image is in WEBP format right here, but you want the file to be PNG. And so here's what we're going to do. Let's start off by putting in a simple prompt down here in the input box that tells something like, convert this WebP image to a PNG format. And so in support of this prompt, we can just attach our image file, just upload it from computer. As you can see, here's the image that you downloaded, open, and then here it is. Just wait for a bit. So once it's everything, it settles here and there, send it off. It might take a bit. And yeah, see, there you have it. There it is. It says the image has been converted to PNG format. You can download it using the link below. And here it is. Just click here, starting download. And yeah, see, PNG. Perfect. So converting images with the help of ChatGPT is not only possible, but incredibly straightforward. If you find this video helpful so far, until the end, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could just take 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks guys, and see you in the next video.